Welcome back to Primetime Sports Monday. Saeed Bernard, the attorney representing Jamaican sprinter Taekwondo Tracy, is raising objections to a disciplinary hearing being held for the two-time national champion after a further delay in proceedings. Bernard says his office has not been in receipt of a statement from the J3A's disciplinary committee on behalf of coach Maurice Wilson.
The impending disciplinary hearing for Taekwondo Tracy hinges on a crucial piece of evidence, a statement from complainant coach Maurice Wilson. Attorney representing Tracy, Saeed Bernard, had requested the statement at a meeting with the chairman of the disciplinary committee on Saturday and was told that they would have the statement in hand by Monday. But at the end of business Monday, no statement had been received by Bernard and his team.
The delay caused by the J3, almost 10 months, not 10, and then further delay since that meeting not been disclosed with that document. We are not in a position for the hearing, which comes up on next week, 2 days from the national chair.
Bernard says a meeting that was had in the aftermath of the incident in Budapest has further brought into question the viability of the disciplinary hearing.
Right, that is exactly my instruction, that a meeting was had and that it was the view of the persons of that meeting that this matter was and further exacerbated and furthered in evidence by the fact that I've heard other media reports hearing the Maurice Wilson, the supported journalist in this matter, has said that he had watched and seen up this thing and he expected anything had and for this matter to be referred.
Bernard, who also revealed that prominent sports attorney Dr. Emir Crown has joined the defense, says the absence of a written code or policy from the J3As continues to bring into question the legitimacy of the charges.
We know of some charges, we don't know where those charges come from because no document was sent, thanks to the report, right? So you can imagine that the defense team is further sitting down and we have nothing to work with, really.
The disciplinary hearing is set for June 25, 2 days before the start of the national championships, which will be used to select the team to the Olympic Games in Paris. Tracy has been charged with breaching the J3's long-established code and policies in relation to public comments made at the World Athletics Championships in Budapest last year. Jordan Fort, TVJ Sports.
Thank you, Jordan.